When you try to immerse any object in fluid, then the fluid will exert an opposite force to that object, and you feel that the object is less weight in that fluid. This is due to the force that exerted by the liquid on the object, and that force is called buoyant force. Today in this lecture we will going to learn about this buoyant force in great detail with the help of Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states that the upward buoyant force that is exerted on a body immersed in fluid, whether fully or partially, is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces. To understand this in very detail, let us consider a cylinder with water and a cube whose side is a meters. Before going to start the topic, I want to tell you one thing, that is, pressure at a depth h in any fluid is calculated by the formula rho gh, where rho is density of that fluid, h is depth, and g is acceleration due to gravity. Now immerse the cube in cylinder at a height h. After immersing the cube in water, there are two forces acting on that cube. One is pressure from top and the another is pressure from bottom, which is buoyant force. Here we have to calculate the net force exerted by the liquid. Now I am writing here force due to liquid on the cube. Now here, to calculate the net force, you have to subtract these two forces. So I am writing here force due to liquid is equal to Pb into A minus Pt into A. Here Pb means pressure from bottom and Pt means pressure from top, where A is the area of cube. Now again I am writing here Pb into A square minus Pt into A square. Here I am writing A square because the area of cube is A square. Now we are taking common A square, so A square of Pb minus Pt. Now here Pb means pressure from bottom and Pt means pressure from top. To calculate pressure from bottom, we have to use the formula which I have tell you in starting of that video, that is rho gh. Once you see in the figure, means here the cube is at a depth h and the side of the cube is a. So to calculate the pressure from bottom, we have to take here height as h plus a. So Pb is equal to rho g of h plus a. To calculate the pressure from top, here we use the formula that is rho gh. So rho g, here depth is h, so rho g h. Now substitute Pb value and Pt value in this equation. So a square of rho g h plus rho ga minus rho gh. Here rho gh and rho gh are cancel out, and we get final as a square of rho g into a. Now after multiplying this, we get force due to liquid is equal to rho g into a cube. Now here once you see, means here a cube means it is a volume. So which volume here? Here all of you think that a cube means here volume of cube, but that is not here. Here volume means volume of fluid that displaced out, means when we have immersed this cube in this cylinder, some water will be raised out due to the volume of cube. So here a cube means here's the volume of water that is displaced out. So here we will write a cube means volume of displaced liquid. And once you see here, means here rho g is a, rho means density of fluid and g is acceleration due to gravity. We know that density into volume is equal to mass. So force due to liquid is equal to mass of liquid into gravitation. We know that mass into gravity is equal to weight. So here mass of liquid into gravity means that is weight of liquid. So force due to liquid is equal to weight of the liquid displaced. From this we can conclude that buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces. So this is Archimedes' principle.